Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we're going to show you how to add an Interac e-transfer contact on TD Bank app. We will also put links in the description below for similar banks. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, sign in with your username and password. Now, you will see the list of your accounts. Tap on your bank account. On this screen, you will see an option for Manage. Tap on Manage. Here, you will see an option that says View All Statements. Tap on View All Statements. And now you will see the list of statements. Just tap on the month of the particular statement you wish to view. That's how to get statements on Scotia Bank app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.